privilege and honor to invite Senior Professor R. Seyama Selvaraj sir to deliver his speech on the topic Be Positive. Here we go with our professor. Be blessed by the divine. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். குரு வாழ்க, குருவே துணை. Be blessed by the divine. May the whole world enjoy happy and peacefulness. My salutations to all the Zitas who have dedicated their lives to the upliftment of mankind. And I salute our great Guru, Arutandai Vedatri Maharishi, who leads us with his divinity. Dear wisest scholars, those who with the divine's character of love and compassion, I salute and bless all of you. வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thanks to WCC IT team to give this opportunity to learn. It is a learning curve for me to speak in English. Some from today onwards, previously 3 days ago, last 3 days, few students in Tamil Nadu commit suicide due to the scare about the NEET exam. Is the suicide because of the exam is tough? Is the suicide in Tamil Nadu because of NEET alone? No. Few students, those who failed in SSLC also commit suicide. Few students, those who failed in +2 also commit suicide. Few IITians, which is brilliant students, also commit suicide because of burden in their studies. So, the suicide, what is the reason for the suicide? Few days before, a man committed suicide because after he drank, he went to his home and asked his wife to give dosai. His wife refused to give dosai and scolded him because of he drank. Because of that, the husband commits suicide. It's look like very silly, right? Last month, Sushant Singh, a Bollywood actor, commits suicide. The theme of his previous film was against suicide, but he suicided himself. Last year only 56% of the students are passed their NEET exam. Those who not passed or did not commit suicide. So what is the reason for the suicide? It is difficult to imagine what led a friend, family member or celebrity to commit suicide. There may have been no clear warning signs, and you may wonder what clues you might have missed. Often many factors combine to lead a person to decision to take their own life. It is like a mental illness. Most people make the decision to attempt suicide shortly before doing so impulsively rather than planning it out extensively. While there are many factors that can influence a person's decision to commit suicide, the most common one is severe depression. Depression can make people feel great emotional pain and loss of hope, making them unable to see another way to relieve the pain other than ending their own life. A person may decide to take their own life when facing a loss or the fear of a loss. There are situations can include academic failure, being arrested or imprisoned, bullying or shaming, financial problems, end of a close friendship or romantic relationship, loss of job, loss of friends or family members, loss of social status. This all because of the hopelessness. The hopelessness either in the short term or as a longer lasting trait has been found in many studies to contribute to the decision to commit suicide. The person may be facing a social or physical challenge and may see no way the situation can be improved. When people feel they have lost all hope and don't feel able to change that, it can overshadow all of the good things in their life, making suicide seems like a viable option. While it might seem obvious to an outside observer that things will get better, people with depression may not be able to see this due to the pessimism and despair that go along with this illness, because it is a mental illness. All the suicides are because of the people look at the negative side alone. They didn't look the positive side. There are two sides absolutely to everything. For example, day and night, male and female, good and bad, inside and outside, positive and negative, success and failure, happy and sorrow, pain and pleasure, etc. We thought we have to learn, we should learn to balance both and look for positive in everything and turn negative to positive, which is called positive mental attitude. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president, says, fail means first attempt in learning. First attempt in learning. We can learn from our failure, and from that lesson, we can make success. So always we have to think positive, be positive. Sachin Tendulkar, a great cricketer, he failed in SSLC. He failed in SSLC, but he is first class with distinction in his life. He married a doctor. So there is a way, there is a solution. In 18th century, I think, a boy studied in a school. He is a below average student. One day, his teacher gave him a closed cover and asked him to give that to his mother. He came home from school with a note and he told her mother, "Mom, my teacher gave this paper to me and told me only you are to read it." "What does it say?" he asked. The mother read the paper and her eyes welled with tears as she read out loud, "Your son is genius. The school is too small for him and doesn't have good enough teachers to train him. Please teach him yourself." So she taught his son in home as she also as a teacher. After many years, his mother died. He found the letter his mother read that day. The words in the letter was, "Your son is mentally deficient. We cannot let him attend our school anymore. He is expelled." The boy is Thomas Alva Edison, who invented many inventions, including electric power. A quote that, "If God closes one door, he will open another door." Maharishi says furthermore that God won't close the door and open other door. Maharishi says God opened the another door first, then only he closed a door. So there are many ways in the world to live. The only thing is be positive, be positive. Our Guru Maharishi faced a lot of problems in his life. Compared to his life, we are nothing. How many difficulties he faced. In his every experiences, he learned some lessons. After Maharishi lost all his wealth, he lived in a hut. One day, a heavy rain with cyclone. He came out from the hut with Anne Logambal and sat in the opposite side of a small house, another house. After some time, his hut was demolished by the cyclone. At the time itself, he wrote a poem. இயற்கை என்ற பேராட்டக்காரனுக்கு நாமெல்லாம் எடுத்தாலும் காய்கள். All the living beings are ever the kinds of great player called nature. He moved the coins from one place to another place. He can remove the coin from the game. He gives good move and position to the coin. Who can say the nature is wrong in the great world? Who can say the nature is wrong in the great world? Imagine how positive our Guru is. Because of his positive attitude, he learned from all negatives happened in his life. And he made all the negatives to positive. Not only for him, and also he found the ways to be positive for the whole world, which is called Sky Yoga. Sky Yoga is the best solution to be positive. Albert Einstein, the great scientist, says, positive thinker will find solutions to every problem. Positive thinker will find solution to every problem. Negative thinker will find problems in every solution. So we have to be positive. Believe in yourself. Have faith in your abilities. Without a humble but a reasonable confidence in your own power, you cannot be successful and happy. Our Guru Vethathiri Maharshi says, character of persons depends on their thinking. This clearly indicates the importance of the thinking and its process. For this reason, he has given us analysis of thoughts to practice it. Maharishi says, thought arises due to 6 reasons. They are need, habit, circumstance, influenced by others, hereditary and divine. All thoughts are to be categorized based on the above 6 factors and decision to be taken whether to convert the thought into action or not. Maharishi has given wonderful formula to be applied before taking the decision. The formula is, any action should not harm to self or others, either physically or mentally, or at present or in future. If everyone follow this before speak or do some actions, there won't be any miseries in their life. So we have to believe ourselves. Whatever you truly believe within you becomes your reality. Swami Vivekananda says, what we think we will become. In one more quote, he says, you are a strong person. You can do anything and everything which helps to the humanity. Believe in that. Do not think you are a weak person. Stand up. Bring out the divine power available within you. The divine is within you. You may not have belief in God, but you must believe in yourself. Self-confidence is more important character to every human being. Don't expect result immediately. Some people expect the result immediately. Some persons, some friends come to our mantram, sir, I am doing this exercise, but my sugar level still not reduced. It will reduce if you do properly. Don't expect the result immediately. Whatever you planted requires some time before it comes to fruition. Hence, have to wait patiently. We need to sow our ideas, allow them to germinate, give them a lot of energy, and then reap the rewards. Sowing and reaping are the law of action and reaction. As Vethathiri Maharshi says, think good, do good, always to get good. If you want to get good, think good, do good. Because our thought and our words and our actions is the result. Mind is the best friend and worst enemy. Mind is the best friend and worst enemy. We must start looking inward, analyze our thoughts, and take suitable actions as we look the mirror and beautify the external appearance, right? Similarly, we have to beautify our inner appearance, which is called thoughts. Positive mind has the flexibility to accept whatever does come its way and try to see the potential good in any situation. Positive mind faces failure as stepping stone to achieve the success. தடைக்கற்களையும் படிக்கற்களாக மாற்றுவது. Positive mind faces failure as stepping stone to achieve success. Positive mind understands the circumstance and accepts the reality. Must accept the reality. Positive mind generates self-confidence, self-motivation, self-development. Positive mind uses its strength to overcome weakness, capitalize the opportunities, faces the threat with courage and to be successful and happy. Positive mind looks everyone equal. Positive mind will not get flattened with success and will not break down in failure. Faces both success and failure in equal frame of mind. Positive mind will have the ability to understand the need of the moment. What need in this moment? We have to fulfill it. We have to think it. We have to solve it. Positive attitude will lead to win-win-win situation. Win for the self, win for others, and win for the society also. To be positive, we have to practice regularly our sky exercise, simplified Kundalini Yoga, formulated by our Guru Vethathiri Maharshi, which is consist of simple exercise, Kaya Kalpa, meditation, introspection, which are the best tool that will help us to be positive. Maharishi says, mind is a fertile land. What we sow will be reaped. Let us sow only the good thought, which will result in happy, pleasure, peaceful mind and generate positive energy. We have to say some slogans within ourselves to make us I like a song in Tamil. என்னதான் நடக்கும் நடக்கட்டுமே, இருட்டில் நீதி மறையட்டுமே, தன்னால வெளிவரும் தயங்காதே, ஒரு தலைவன் இருக்கிறான் மயங்காதே. Hearing the positive songs, positive words, positive quotes, always says ourselves positive slogans like, I am feeling healthy and strong today. I have all that I need to make this great day of my life. I have all the information I need to solve any challenges that come up today. I have the knowledge to make smart decisions for myself today. I make right choice all day using my inner wisdom. I am happy and content with my life. I am patient and calm and greet the day with ease. I am filled with the gratitude for another day on this earth. Don't worry, be happy. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. We have to accept as it is and move forward. Changing the external situations and circumstances might not always be possible, but changing our attitude is possible. Normally, people thinking that we have to change others. We have to change others. No. Maharishi always say, we cannot change others, but we can change ourselves. So don't feel frustrated and unhappy. Instead of that, be calm and accept the situation. When we accept what we cannot change us, we save a lot of energy. My wife is like this, my husband is like this, my son is like this, my daughter is like this. If we cannot change them, oh, you become worry. You accept as it is. In this generation, in this Pravi, in this life, she is my wife. In this life, she is my husband. I have to accept it. So if you accept it, you save a lot of energy and time, which can be utilized for performing other act. You have a lot of things you have to do in the world. So accepting the situation does not mean giving up. Some people may thought, accept as it means I have to just live like that. No. Accepting the situation does not mean giving up. Instead, think, analyze, and utilize the situation to get best out of it. You have to make best. So how to make best? Focus and concentrate 100% on all our actions with full dedications and commitment. Must focus, must concentrate with 100%. What our president, WCC president always says, be cheer, be happy, be work with interest. So whatever work we do, எந்த செயல் செய்தால் என்ன செய்யும் தொழில் தெய்வம் என்று பட்டுக்கோட்டை பாட்டில் சொன்னானே. Think whatever you work do with happiness. Do with full minded, do with full hearted. So focus and concentrate 100% on all our actions with full dedications and commitment. Build on all the good things, and if we like to change, have to start it in small way. Today itself. ஒன்றே செய்க, நன்றே செய்க, இன்றே செய்க, இன்னே செய்க. Do it now itself. Do the good things. If you do one thing, also do the good thing. ஒன்றே செய்க, நன்றே செய்க. Do it today itself. இன்றே செய்க. Do it now itself. இன்னே செய்க. So, remove obstacles by focusing on one goal at a time. The ladies are having a lot of skills. They can do many works at a time. They can listen to music, they can cook, they can watch a TV, they can talk some more. But to achieve better, best, to be best, remove obstacles by focusing on one goal at a time. What Swami Vivekananda says, to be a happy. Happiness is not about getting all you want. My wife must be like this, my husband must be like this. Don't expect anything. Happiness is not about getting all you want. It is about enjoying all you have. What you have, just enjoy it. Everything is easy when you are happy. Everything is easy when you are happy. Nothing is easy when you are sorrow. All powers are within you. You can do anything in the world. Believe this. Do not think you are weak person. Bring out divine power exists within yourself. Strength will lead to happy life. Weakness leads to death. Attitude plays major role for success. This is the course of Swami Vivekananda. Be strong. Be strong. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. We have to arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Elumin, vilimin, vilemin, kuri sarumare villadu selmin. Come back to today's situation. Some of the students wrote the NEET exam, may pass and get the MPPS seat. And the person will become a doctor. Some of the students may fail in the NEET exam and may not get the MBBS seat. The student who passed with the NEET become a doctor, but who knows? The student who failed in the NEET may build a hospital and can employ many doctors. So, if there is a will, there is a way. Dear scholars, today's education makes an engineer, doctor, advocate, etc., etc., etc. But it won't make a good human being. There are 4 types of education should have for the human beings to lead happy, peacefulness, and stress-free life. They are literacy education, vocational education or trade education, moral education, and natural philosophical knowledge education. In these four, in our society, literacy education and vocational education has been taught. The missed educations are moral education and natural philosophical knowledge education, which are more important to the society. Our Sky Yoga is fulfilled the missed education. So the moral education is very, very, very important. The need of moral cultural education. It is today's, not only today's, always very important. Cultural grows when the presence of the divine is understood. If you understood the divine, then only the cultural grows. But Avyar says crops grow depending on the level of the water. So we have to enrich our noble qualities like non-violence, honesty, straightforwardness, tolerance, forgiveness, equanimity, self-discipline, humility, perseverance, non-jealousy, seeing only good things in others. We have to improve all the quality characters. Ahimsa, non-violence, not to harm any living being through thought, word, or deed. Why we harming others? Because we are ego, hatred, jealousy, anger. So it is the law of nature that every deed brings forth a suitable result. Every action has opposite and equal reaction. Our body and mind will ultimately suffer the consequence of the evil. If we do others, it will return back to us. So we have to make ourselves calm and peacefulness. We have to do meditation for that. Enduring our pain or misery, totally we have to stop the pain and miserliness. So we have to introspect. We have to honesty, telling the truth, avoiding all untruths. Our words should be truthful. Honesty is speaking the truth when it benefits to others. It is good to conceal the truth if it can do irreparable damage to others. பொய்மையும் வாய்மை உடைத்து புரைதீர்ந்த நன்மை பயக்கும் எனில் in Quran Thiruvallur says. So we have to be honest. We have to the great thinker says, talk less, think more. Talk less, think more. Talk less, do more. So limited your talk. Whatever we talk, the words must be kind. It should not hurt others. So the honesty leads to success. Always be straightforward. Don't speak in front of others something and backside of others something. In front of a friend, oh, you are a very nice friend. You are very good, very good. After the friend went out, he is a very naughty fellow. He is very bad. Don't say like this. Be straightforward. Be truthful yourself. Have to be tolerate others' mistakes. Forgive them. Forgive them. Treat others equally. Avoid the attractions and the hatred. Decisions should be in justice. Have to be self-disciplined. Observing all our thoughts with awareness. Putting good thoughts to action. Avoid or eliminate evil thoughts. So self-discipline paves the way for success and growth. Humility. To gain respect for success in life, you have to preserve all the good things. Don't jealous with others. Everybody in the world having skills. Everybody in the world is unique. Everybody in the world, they are right to live. So don't get jealous with others. Jealousy is very bad quality. So how to eradicate the jealousy? Realize one's own good qualities. Realize one's own skills. accepting ourselves, paving the way of improving our own deeds and qualities, avoiding expectations. So this all can eliminate the jealousy. See only good. Look only good things in the happenings around you. If we see the television, newspapers in our country, the great India, mostly the negative news are coming out every day. The negative news are coming out. But if you watch the television in Singapore or hear the radio in Singapore, always can hear the positive good things in the newspaper, television, radio, all. Good things, do good things. In a Mahabharata, Duryodhana always look the bad things. Dharma always look the good things. So Satyameva Jayade, the good is always win. So whatever reason, whatever may happen in our life, don't be afraid. We can do it. We can do it. Be positive. I always tells my daughter, her name is Arul Jodi. She is studying in 3rd year B Arc. I always tells her, don't afraid for anything. Don't be tension. Don't be stress. I don't expect you to be a first class or distinction. I don't expect to you. You just pass enough for me. If not pass also okay for me. But I expect you to do the meditation every day, to do the exercise every day, to do the Kaya Kalpa every day. So I always tells her, follow our sky system, which lead our life to the good level. Now she already completed diploma in yoga for human excellence. This year I asked her to apply for the BSc in yoga for human excellence. She also accepted. So be positive, don't worry, be happy. Thank you for the opportunity. Be blessed by the divine. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of all the listeners, we thank you very much for your inspiring and wonderful speech, sir. Now the forum is open for discussion questions. Please click the raise hand button in your Zoom app to raise your questions to our professor. While you get ready with your questions, we have few announcements to make. Practice Kayakalpa regularly and improve your immunity system. If not yet learned Kayakalpa Yoga, please visit kayakalpayoga.edu.in. Download the Android app. Recommend it to your friends and relatives. Online foundation course in Sky Yoga and certified courses in Tamil and in English is being organized and conducted by the World Community Service Center, Vision for Wisdom, Aliyar. Please visit our website, that is kundaliniyoga.edu.in, for further details. Please invoke your friends and relatives to join these courses and let everyone get benefited by practicing our simplified Kundalini Yoga. Our monthly journal Anboli is also available in the Android app. Download the Android app from the Android Play Store. Get access to the premium content of Swamiji's speeches. Connect with us on Facebook and YouTube at Sky Yoga TV to listen to all the past speeches of our beloved professors on various aspects of Sky Yoga. Karma Yoga principles of Vedatrium suggest donating 1% of your income to the good causes of the society. Be generous, donate to the World Community Service Center. There are multiple channels to do that. Either you can donate through the Anboli app or our official website, vedatri.edu.in. Just to mention, you would get a Section 80G exemption as well for these donations. Now let us start the question and answer session. Rajaraman sir, you can please unmute yourself and you can ask your question, sir. Mr. Rajaraman sir, you have to unmute yourself. Click on the, yes sir, please go ahead.
Yes, good evening, madam.
Good evening, sir.
Be blessed by divine. I am very happy to hear a beautiful speech by Senior Professor Sharma. He has given more information how to develop positive attitude in humanity. He has given more examples in historical life. Just like Sachin Tendulkar and one scientist and a word giving more explanation, just like fail given by late Abdul Kalam, all working. My question is, by doing sky yoga exercise meditations, will it inculcate positive attitude to us? If so, what I have to do?
You have to do all the practices, sir. Yeah, sir, Rajaraman sir. We have to practice all our practices which is given by our Guru. That's enough. That's enough.
I am practicing everything, yes. But sometimes I get a negative thinking. How to avoid it?
No, because it is from our imprint, which is called Sanjita Karma, Prarabdha Karma, Agamya Karma. So we have to superimposition to the karmas. We have to regularly practice our exercises, Kaya Kalpa and meditation, introspection, and we have to do some charity works also. So go to the mandram, do the service by your physical and by your money and by your knowledge. This will help you to lead better positive thoughts. Be blessed by the divine.
Okay, thank you, Professor. I will follow.
Thank you, sir. Suganya ma'am, you can ask your question. Please unmute yourself, ma'am. Suganya ma'am, you're not audible. Please repeat your question, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Valga Valamudan.
Yes, Valga Valamudan. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Valga Valamudan, unable to hear.
We'll go for Tyagarajan, sir. Please unmute yourself, sir.
Very good evening, all of you. Valga Valamudan to all of you. Sharma, this is a question to you first. Before that, actually, I appreciate that you have given excellent speech. This is the first time I'm hearing you are giving a speech in English. So far, I watched you speech giving in Tamil. So excellently, you have delivered all your speech. Especially this positive thought. That is very, very important to all of us. Not only student level, it is everybody, even old age experience, irrespective of anything. So you clearly given and quoted Vivekananda's quotes, etc. So I really appreciate, I really enjoyed all your speech. So dear listener, actually, we are a resident of his resident of Sharma ji house. So always we used to hear all his speeches in person. So this is the first time I'm hearing English delivering speech. Excellent, I appreciate you all your thing actually. So my question is actually, so in our education system, we are giving good education, etc., etc., and people are also in school level, they are collecting good amount. But actually, see, last 3 days before, there are 3 students actually killed their life, that is committed suicide. Even not even attending before the NEET exam. That is a very pathetic. Actually, after attending the exam, if they come to know that they have not written well, they are committing suicide, means that is okay. Even without, just like fear, they have committed suicide. I feel it is a failure of our system. I mean, in the school itself, they have not taught what they want clearly. So I request you to where we gone fault and how we will rectify it. See, the student, they should first they should get the willpower, confidence. That level actually it is getting failure. What is your view and how we are going to control future?
The only remedy for this is implement our sky system to the school level. That's why our WCC president and all our directors are trying to implement the system to the school level. But the situation not yet come. We are still trying and trying. What we have to do is we have to train our children to ask them to join the sky system. This is primarily we can do it. So we bless the whole world and bless the government to implement our sky system to the school level. Then only the thing will change. Because what I speak in this speech, we have the literacy education and we have the trade education, but we don't have the moral education and the natural philosophical education.
Yes.
This education we have to teach in the school level. So in very soon it will come true as a Vedatrian who rule the whole world, going to rule the whole world. So be positive, it will happen. Be blessed with the divine.
Thank you, AM. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Suganya ma'am, you can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Sir, வணக்கம் சார். வாழ்க வளமுடன். Good evening, sir.
வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வணக்கம் சார்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Actually, என்னோட question how to relieve depression and how to take why you will take death.
How to
எதுக்காண்டி டிப்ரெஷன் ஐ மீன் தமிழ் பேசுறேன் சார். ஆக்சுவலி எதுக்காண்டி அவங்க டிப்ரெஷன் வராங்க, எதுக்காண்டி அவங்க வந்து சூசைட் அட்டெண்ட் பண்றாங்க?
The depression got many reasons. In this speech, I spoke many reasons for the depression. So we cannot say why they do it like this. Near my house, a person commits suicide because he lost his job. He's a very good person, very kind, very lovable person. But he commits suicide because he lost his job. There are a lot of jobs in the world, but it is like they are not believe in themselves. They always have the negative mind. That's why we have to change the negative mind to positive mind. That's why we have to follow our system. Our Swamiji's given the analysis of thoughts, moralization of desire, eradication of worries, neutralization of anger. Bless the enemies also and realize yourself, who am I? This all the topics, not just the topics, this is the life, way of life. So if we follow the way of life given by our Swamiji, we won't get depressed. Whatever come to happen to our life, we just pass it and it will change. We can believe it will change. It will change. In the nilayum marum. So if we think positive, surely we can achieve it because our mind is a great tool. What Maharishi says, manam oru pokisham. The mind is a great tool. So be positive. Whatever negative thoughts come to your minds, analyze it and erase it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Thank you, sir, for patiently answering our questions and sharing your insights and divine thoughts with us.
Thank you,
Dear
madam. Thank you for
meditators, it is
thank you
time
for
for
the
us to,
opportunity.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It is time for us to express gratitude and thanks to our professor. Kindly come to meditative state by focusing your mind on the Durya Chakra. Let us bless Professor Uma Shrikant Madam for conducting a blissful divine state meditation. Be blessed by the divine. Her good health, be blessed by the divine. Her loving family, be blessed by the divine. Her divine service, be blessed by the divine. Thank you, ma'am. Now let us bless our senior professor, R. Serma Selvaraj sir. Be blessed by the divine. His good health, be blessed by the divine. His loving family, be blessed by the divine. His divine service, be blessed by the divine. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us tonight. Please keep enlightening us with such more interesting and valuable topics, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Giving is not just about making Giving it not just about making a donations, it is about asking a difference, and giving is the greatest act of the grace. We would like to extend our heartfelt blessings to the following Sky Meditators for their generous donations made. We greatly appreciate your kindness and utmost generosity. You truly make the difference for us. Indeed, we are extremely happy and grateful. By the grace of the divine bliss, may you and your family enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, peace, prosperity, fame, and wisdom. Be blessed by the divine. Dear friends, we are glad to bring the following online programs live from the Alia Temple of Consciousness tomorrow morning. 5 a.m. we have, 5:30 a.m. we have a 9 center meditation in Tamil by Professor Umayal from Dindigal. 6 a.m. we have exercises in Tamil. 7 a.m. we have 9 center meditation in English by Professor V.K. Usha Madam. At 11 a.m. we have speech in Tamil on the topic Valkai Sikkalum Kalayum Murayum by Senior Professor K.R. Muniratnam sir from Chennai. Evening programs at 6 p.m. we have Duryadida meditation and in Tamil conducted by Dindigal Zone. 6:30 p.m. there will be a retelecast of Tamil speech which was given in the morning. And 7:30 p.m. there will be Duryadida meditation in Malayalam conducted by Professor A.R. Dominic. By 8 p.m. we will have speech in Malayalam by Assistant Professor A. Srikanthan Nair on the topic Why Men Differ. Please share the program invite with your friends and relatives. Let everyone take part in this spiritual journey and get benefited. We thank our beloved President Arulidhi Padmashri SKM Mailanandan sir for his leadership and guidance. See you all tomorrow with an other interesting session in Malayalam. Till then, be safe, meditate, and be in a blissful state. This is Jamuna Mani from Aliyar World Community Service Center IT team. Let us all end the program with the world blessing prayer. May the world be blessed with plenty of rain. The farmers work to produce an abundance of grain. Let the practitioners of all the trades prosper, flourish and grow, and the culture progress through the need to share and grow. Let the rules beyond feelings of anger or fear, illiteracy, poverty, and all evil mates to disappear. Let the true lamp of knowledge burn steady and bright. Our sense of duty guide us along paths always right. Be blessed by the divine. Be blessed by the divine. Be blessed by the divine. Have a good night. Valga Valamudan.